Hello, good morning, Mr. Budi and Mr. B. I'm so sorry because I have made mistake in Mr. Budi class, but before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Yunita. I am from Lotus class. And then actually I want to say what else, but I forgot in English what in English. And then so because it's 50 minutes, so I want to talk about my impression in TC student when I am TC student, but I have been TC student for 3 weeks. And then I'm very delighted because I can learn anything about grammar, about pronunciation, about phonetic symbol. I'm very like it. No, I'm really like it. And then I can learn new concept and then the last is describing picture. I'm really like describing picture and speaking class, but sometimes I don't really like to grammar class because it's so tricky for myself because I have to memorize all pattern and then it's not simple, but I don't know what I have to do. And then what else? My impression in speaking class, I'm really like in speaking class because I can improve my vocabulary, I can improve someone to talk with me, and then we Mr. Budi and Mr. B gave me the topic debates, and then because I like speaking, I really like speaking with another people, so I like this class. And then for thesis students, sometimes uh, I'm confused to talk because sometimes I'm sleep tongue in the class, and then in my boarding house with my best friend, and then I have to speak Indonesia in my media social, and then yeah, because that sometimes I sleep tongue, and then I don't know what the solution about that. And in this student, my problem to memorize all vocabulary. I want to talk very slowly because it's 50 minutes, and then I will describe all class maybe. So in the grammar class, we have two teachers. So the first Mam Atun and Miss Via. Mas Atun is really not. Miss Via is really kind than Mam Atun, but Mam Atun give us example very much. And then Miss Via is really kind when she talk us in the class. And then in TC student or TC program, we have many program. So the first is traveling exam, debate, and shadowing. And then every week or every 2 weeks, we have to join write an exam in grammar class with Mom Atun or Miss Via, but I always get 0 score or 50 score. I never get 100 score because I'm not detailed when do it. And then actually I like uh, describing picture. I really like describing picture because I can make a story by own self. And then describing picture tell us about the phonetic symbol like mm, confused, confused. And then in describing picture, we have two teachers. The first is Mr. Fahmi and Mr. Sally. Mr. Fahmi is really kind because I think Mr. Sally older than Mr. Fahmi, but Mr. Sally is always give us jokes, that jokes. It's no problem. And then in the last class is new concept with Mr. Rozak and Mr. Luhung. Yeah, Mr. Luhung is really kind because he always smile. And then Mr. Rozak always seriously when he taught us. In new concept, yes, in new concept we learn about what else? We learn about, oh, we have to listen from audio, and then we have to memorize, and we have to written after that, or make a dialogue with our friends, and we have to memorize again, and we show up to Mr. Rozak or Mr. Luhung. I'm really like that. And then the last we have a speaking class. Yeah, of course, with Mr. Budi and Mr. B. I'm really like this class. And then we have to change every weeks, like first week with a teacher, a teacher, and then next week or second weeks we will meet with uh be team teacher. So we have to always change, and then we have to memorize all the class. If 15 or like 15 minutes is so long time. And then oh yeah, I will tell you about the schedule today. This is a morning speaking with MS with all friends, so we can stand in anywhere, and then we can debate with MS and with another friends. So the topic about working mom and stay at home mom. So I will choose working mom because I am I will be working mom to the future. But before that, in speaking class, we talk about offline and online store, and then we talk about what is the first is. I forgot about that, but in debate we always talk anything. And then today is really and but this debate is really necessary to us to for the future, because in the work, in the job, when we want to job, when we want to work, we have to speak with another people, we have to debate. When we don't want it, we have to speak English to improve ourselves, to tell them we can do it. Haha. And then necessary, simple, tricky, delighted, fantastic. I use all the vocabulary, but it's just 9 minutes. So what I have to say again? I will tell about impression. I can in thesis student. We have we have a different schedule, like three times. So the first time is, or the first class in 6:30 until 8 o'clock. And then the second class is at 8 o'clock until 9:30, and then we have rest time. and then the last class or third class at 10 a.m. until 11:30 a.m. So sometimes I feel tired because in my class, in the last class is in Lotus class, we always get a first class and third class. So the first class is at 10 until 8 a.m. and then after that we have 2 hours to 2 hours to rest time, and then when I go back in my boarding house I will be sleepy and sleep. So I make vacation to stay in Moscow in BSc to learn or study just my own self. And then sometimes I feel sleepy when the teacher always teach don't have interest, not interest, but I have dialogue with student. And then every day it's the same schedule, and then we have a schedule like morning or nightly speaking. Sometimes I'm I'm so lazy to go to morning or nightly speaking, but I have to go there. And then we have schedule to learn or study with teaching assistant. I really like study with teaching assistant, but I don't know, just 1 hours. I think I need more time to learn with them. And then we learn about tree family, and then we learn about the simple past, simple present, or like present family, past family, and the future family. And then sometime teaching assistant told us about the preparing to weekly meeting. And now I will be MS after Jumah pray. And also in thesis student, we have to memorize all the functionaries, all the tasks in functionaries when weekly meeting time. And then I'm so tired about that because so many tasks in thesis student of us is correct, because thesis student told us is TC program is very really many tasks or duty we have to memorize all the time is correct. But sometimes I feel in this student we need to always speaking. I need it, but sometimes I feel not tired, but I feel so sad because my grammar is not good. But I always should try use grammar because someday I need to get not I need I have to join IELTS program. So because that grammar is really necessary to us for the future, because I hope someday I can get a scholarship in another country. Amen. And then the last minutes. Oh, I have 1 minute again. I hope I don't. I'm not make a mistake again. I'm not repeat this mistake again because I'm so sad to make it. It's 5 minutes to talk just alone, just on myself. But it's no problem. I can do it. Yeah. And then 15 seconds again. What I have to say. Thank you very much to teach talk us every day. for Mr. B and Mr. Budi. Okay, goodbye.